Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can mark a habit or task as negative or bad in the Habitica productivity app. So let us guide you through it and launch the Habitica application on your mobile device, and after that here in your home screen navigate to habits in the bottom left corner. Here you will see a list of all habits you have so far added to your list, like positive habits, but you may also turn these positive habits into negative ones. Let's say, for example, if you added a positive habit like this one here, eat healthy, or as a bad habit, eat junk food, you may simply mark this one as a bad habit if you, for example, haven't eaten healthy the given day, but only junk food. So if you haven't followed your positive or good habit, you may mark that as bad by simply tapping onto that minus button here to the right. You may add also a completely new negative habit by simply tapping into that plus icon here at the bottom. And after that, here in your habit creation menu, give the given habit a title here at the top, like for example, I don't know, being late to work or school or something like that. And here below, guys, make sure that you select negative instead of positive. So unselect positive and select negative. And that's basically it. Now we can create that habit, customize it, for example, and after that, tap on create in the top right corner, and that is going to add the given negative habit to your list so that you may now follow that list of habits and check these or mark them as complete for the given day or not, and that way track your behavior in alignment with these positive or negative habits. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.